Hey guys, today is kind of a random video. I am doing late Vlogmas with my dog. So today is currently 29th of December, so pretty late Vlogmas. But anyways, it's nearly the end of the day and I just had this idea, so let's go on with it. So if you don't know who Charlie is, he's my dog. So that was Charlie's first Vlogmas. It was pretty boring, to be honest with you, but it was my first one, so hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. So I'll come up with some ideas tonight. So remember, like, subscribe, and go over and check out my channel, which is called EK6 Reviews, and like and subscribe there. Comment down below on what you want to see us do next. Bye! Bloopers! Now, Charlie. Food? Okay. Let's give you a 3-course meal. What's on the menu today, Charlie? We have biscuits, and sorry to bother you, but more biscuits. Was this you? So much work. Happy now? Good. Say thank you. Charlie, say thank you. Thank you. Cool.